Hello and welcome to the third video tutorial for the Commission Scalper software suite. So, once you've extracted Commission Scalper software, you will see an icon on your desktop for ease of use, or you can access it via your programs down here. But I'm going to use the shortcut on the desktop. So, we double click on that. And here you're taken to the home page of the Commission Scalper suite. The first element we are going to cover is Fast Cache Furnace. So you see you're presented with this screen. Now the first thing that we need to do within Fast Cache Furnace is set up a new folder on the desktop. Now what we're going to do for today is, just right click, new folder. So what we want to do is name this folder in relation to the new website that you're going to be doing. So we're going to be covering for the demonstration movie news. So let's call this folder movie news. There we go. So we go back over to the Commission Scalper Fast Cache Furnace screen here. And we click on new website. So let's call this project Movie News, and the project folder, that is the project folder that we just created on the desktop, so over here to the right. So let's find that down here. There it is. Click OK, and the headline for this, let's call it Movies. Now you see on the screen below that the software suite does provide you with a lot of templates. So let's pick money, since that's what this program is all about. So we click Save. So here we go to the Create Pages Automatically screen. So what we want is we're looking for keywords of movie news. So if we type in movie news, and let's create 7 pages for our site, and you see here we have AdSense and Amazon IDs. Now what this is that AdSense is again a pay-per-click facility along with Amazon ID. Now what this means is that you are allowing both of these parties to place adverts within your page, so you can hopefully drive traffic towards your page to monetize it. So you can register at AdSense. If you go to Amazon Affiliates and register there, you'll be given an ID. So let's place in the ID now. So once we have our keyword in, the number of pages to create, we need to stick in our AdSense and Amazon IDs. Now all these are basically ways to monetize your website, which will provide your site with banners, which will fit on either the top, or footers at the bottom, which will advertise various products and services. Now, both of these you can sign up to, and for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to put in a few random numbers and letters. So, there we go, and so for this one, top horizontal block, I'm going to select AdSense, and for the menu vertical block, I'm going to select Amazon. And I'm going to stick in this checkbox here, keep that checked, add relevant video to each page, purely because if you look at a web page, if you have video content included, it fills up the space, makes your page look a lot sexier. So after that, we just click Create, and this will take a couple of minutes just to build it all together. You can see the progress bar just here. And what this is doing is just trawling the internet to find pages that would be relevant for your site. So here we go. So after that process, you can see here that we have our 7 pages, and if we look at all the titles of the pages, we have a nice index page, which is your landing page. Second page, why movie trailers are important. Then there's a movie news page. Keep checking Bollywood movie news, getting the most out of movie news, and film reviews. So all very, very relevant pages to have. So, for example, we click on the index. There we go, in the preview screen. We have a nice index page there. Just wait for that to load up. Here we go. So if you look at that, if you scroll down, and there we have video. That's perfect. We can check on another one. And there you see, there's a nice video embed. Jimmy Fallon show there. So there you have your 7 pages that we created with all very, very relevant titles. Right, the next function that we should really cover within this is that if you want to add a personal touch to your page aside from the ad spaces, you can click on Edit. So here you go, all very self-explanatory here. You can edit the title of the page, keywords of it, description of the page. And over here in the main body of the page, you have a full suite of tools at your disposal to edit, remove, insert as you wish. So, for example, if we went click here for news, highlight the text, click the link button, and you can have the URL. For example, let's point it to Google. And there you see, here is your link embedded into the site. So if we click save, so as soon as you're ready to publish your page, we click publish, and you'll see here that you need to enter your FTP hostname, username, password, and point it to a default location. So all these details, they would have been handed to you via whoever you bought your web hosting from. So GoDaddy, for example, or using earlier example, SGIS. They provide you with these 4 very simple things. So you just cut and paste the information into these boxes and then click upload. Lesson ends.